This is the Valk2M. It's been hyped up quite significantly over the past few months, and over the last 48 hours I've had some time to play with this cube and work out my first impressions of it. When I first unboxed this cube, I wasn't really sure what to think. It was surprisingly heavier than I'd been expecting and was just a bit slower than I might have liked too. Other than that, I didn't really have any cohesive thoughts on the cube, so I decided to do about 500 solves and put some DNM37 in. Now the cube is slightly faster, but it still maintains the same heaviness and solidity that it originally had, and I just love this cube now. It's really smooth and fluid, but also just feels so much more stable, or rather solid, than other 2x2s. For one, it's 10 to 15 grams heavier than other things like the MGC or Chuen, coming in at 80 grams, and I think there are two other new factors that contribute to the feeling of this cube. First off, it's 51mm, unlike pretty much any other 2x2 you can get nowadays, which I've found makes it just that extra bit easier to grip and turn, which may not seem like much, but it's definitely an improvement for me and probably also for a lot of other people. It's just a really nice subtle change. Another new design feature of this cube is the new magnetic system. Instead of the corners magnetizing to one another, which actually made the proper magnetic alignment less noticeable and had some subtle bumps in between turns with cubes like the MGC, the edges actually now have the magnets in them as well, and the corners magnetize to those instead. This means there's only one bump stop, and it's when the turn is actually finished. So in my opinion, this is a much better way of approaching magnets on 2x2s. It just means the click is where it's supposed to be, and the magnets are actually doing their job well, and helping the cube to feel more stable and fluid. Awesome design features aside, I really do like the Valk2M after just 48 hours, and I can't wait to see what this cube will bring. I'm able to get great times on it, and I'm already pretty certain this is going to become my main. Enjoy these solves. I think I got like a mid 1.3 average of 5, which is pretty good for me, and definitely shows off the abilities of this cube. Stay tuned for more videos, perhaps involving this cube, and I'll see you soon. Bye!